Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change legend name in Excel bar chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet with bar chart. Now I change legend name in this bar chart. At first, you have to select this chart, then go to add chart design option, then click add chart element. Now you can see here are legend option. Now you can see here are bottom legend, left legend, top and right. Now I choose top legend, just press it. Now I change legend name in this chart. Select this chart, then go to chart design. Now you can see here are select data option, just click it. Now you can see here are series 1, series 2, series 3, series 4. Now write your text on this series. Now I choose series 1, then press edit. Now write your text. I choose dummy text, then press OK. Now series 4, edit. Now last one series 4, then press edit. Now series name is series text. Now you can see I change legend name in Excel bar chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.